Check out this awesome wide open basement. Look at this, with all these windows and the door. We got the open stairs right here with the built-in at the bottom of the stairs. We got the projector directly on the wall with the niches, LED lit, great lineal fireplace, wide open space. Leads into a bar area right there. There was double columns, so we created that little decorative niche bar right here. Conversation area here with some more windows, and you could see how open this space is. And here you go behind the bar, appliances, countertop, and in this area here, that's a utility room right there. Look at this bathroom. We got cool tile on the wall, really sharp. Even a tray ceiling in here as well. And then we got this floating vanity and a floating toilet as well. So super cool, super modern. And you work your way through here. We got the open steps and then the projector. And we wrap right around back here. Great finished basement.